at So Too High. Our today's guest of honor is Ritu Jain, founder at Solicitude Parenting by Ritu Jain. Ritu is a child counselor for speech and development related issues like ADHD, anxiety, and aggression for the age group 1.5 years to 14 years old kids and guides parents across the globe to nurture their kid in a right way. Ritu is a marital relationship counselor as well. Things don't go as planned in life. That's what we all realize with time. So Ritu's journey proves it very well. Let's hear it from Ritu about her journey of solicitude parenting by Ritu. A very warm welcome, Ritu, at So Too High.
Thank you. Thank you for calling me.
Ritu, tell us what was the reason behind starting solicitude parenting by Ritu?
Okay, so my motto is to reach parents who are having lot many issues in their parenting journey. So I also struggled a lot before my kids and now also, and always have one room of improvement in parenting journey. So being a parenting coach, yes, I also need to learn lot of things on the daily basis.
Yeah.
So with my experience, I am sharing with my parents and working globally. So that is why the reason behind solicitude parenting, and my logo itself tells a very beautiful picture showing a hand holding a mother, a parents and a child.
Yes, beautiful logo, very thoughtful, I must say.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So Ritu, when you faced with the problems in your son, what was that journey about?
See, my son was vaccine injured at the age of 10 months when I injected MMR vaccine.
Okay.
And he comes, and due to that, he was not able to speak. He was not able to move his head frequently when we are calling his name. So we can say the attention was zero. And as I am blessed with twins, my daughter is up to the mark, but I never compared them. But normally we had issues in our mental thought that boys are always late starters and girls are always quick starters. But it is not like that. Milestone should be perfectly on time always for both boys and girls. So there my journey start. We went to several doctors and developmental pediatrics, so they refer to psychiatrists, a different kind of people they have referred us. So they simply diagnosed him with mild autism.
Okay.
So that was very painful and was very killing for me at that time. And there my journey start with my son on his own recovery without any touchwood, without any allopathy medicines, without any intervention of any therapist.
Okay.
So only mother instinct worked at that time. And within 8 months, he was perfectly fine.
Wow. Lovely.
My kid, thank you. My son is 5.7 months old, and I've shared lot many videos of his on my page. So parents get motivated.
Yeah, it is motivating. Otherwise, a lot of parents they give up. They feel sad about it and they lose hope.
Yeah.
But hearing something like this, कि ठीक हो सकता है. It is not the end. It is just the beginning. So this is very inspiring, and you're helping so many people around. That is also credible.
Yeah. Yeah, earlier I was only working with Indian people because I know the genes of Indians. But now I'm working with the global parents, US, UK, everywhere I'm working. I've shared, yesterday only I've shared an insight of my page where I reach so many countries.
Yes, that was lovely. And Ritu, what have you learned as a counselor in the last 3 years?
Counseling I'm doing since last 13 years as I'm a marriage relationship counselor.
Yeah.
But these last 3 years, 3.5 years was very like different kind of emotions I have attached. I am taking care of so many kids, and I never thought that they are somebody else's children's. I always keep them like topmost priority. Every child is on my topmost list. and I'm giving one-to-one coaching. So there is no pre-recorded ones, no PDF or something like that. So
Because
with every parent, I'm taking personal sessions.
Mhm. Because the problem will also vary from child to child. It will not be the
Yeah, and every therapy won't work on every child. So
same.
it should be very, very specific with every parent, with every location, with every child.
Mhm. So, any SAR experience which you had in these 3 years of handling or counseling the kids in particular?
Yes, I had few when husband leave their wife because your child is autistic or having ADHD. With those mothers, I have three clients who are single parent and they are struggling with their divorce matters as well as their child matter. So those cases are very, very near to my heart,
Mm.
and I'm
Like,
always, always available for them.
okay. Ritu, tell me that what do you see that where is India in relation to child counseling? What?
See, every parent should open to receive the correct information, because when we got to know that my child is having some or other issue
Mhm.
related to development, related to speech, related to behavior, we try to simply post on the Facebook groups nowadays, which is very, very good. But sometimes they start following the very wrong methods, which is really parents should not do.
Okay.
Like as I am dealing with the speech and language delay basically,
Mm-hmm.
so found very like nonsense answers on the pages, on the groups, where parents are advising give them a bird food, like
Yes,
crow ka
yes,
food khana,
yes.
बच्चे को जूटा. It is really very dangerous, so don't like follow blindly.
Yeah, even I had got that advice long back, but I definitely didn't go for it. But yeah, it happens. And what
So
other things you find that should be taken care in India as relation to child development?
see, being a parent, we are actually a new generation parent. And sometimes we are only following those old age policies which our grandparents or our parents are did with us.
Yes.
So here, in this era, we should be little more like give them authority to our childrens. Let
Mm.
them decide. But sometimes, as every parent is working nowadays, they give full liberty to their kids, because they are having guilt inside them that we are not giving them sufficient time.
Yeah.
So can allow them to watch TV, or we can provide them expensive toys or whatever they wish to, because
Mm.
being a parent, we are having a guilt inside us.
Yeah.
But yes, we have to balance it. We cannot force our daughter that don't go outside your house after 6 p.m. because the atmosphere is not good. But instead of that, we can provide them full like motivation or training to
Mm.
handle the situation. So we have to be very gentle with kids, as well we need to balance that line between parent and child relation. So
Yeah.
some zigzag, it is like a jungle messed up.
Mm-hmm.
So
It happens.
be very healthy.
Yeah. And Ritu, tell me any experience that is very close to your heart. Uh, you were able to counsel a kid with many problems, and then finally you succeeded in doing that. If you could share some experience.
I'll share my I'll share my latest experience. In the month of August, one of my client, she messaged, she made a post in one parenting group, and I was not active on that day. And 4 5 other different clients of mine tagged me there.
Okay.
And when she got so many tagged name, she asked my number. So some other lady shared my number with her, and she is living in Italy. That lady is living in
Mm.
Italy, so she was so like happy. She called me. She took appointment. She called me on the same day, and she cried over phone. But I said, don't worry, your child will speak. Your son will speak within few months. You need to follow few things. That's it. And by God's grace, now her son start talking.
Wow.
Just 3 months, and her I would love to share her name. Her name is Pratika Singla, and anybody can check on my profile. I have shared lot many things from her.
Okay. So after these kind of success or a small medal, it is, I must say,
Yeah,
it must be a lovely feeling before going to the bed, that okay, you're able to help a mother.
yeah, a mother, and I have saved one parental divorce because of this. And they are Jaipur based, North Indian people only, and they
Okay.
are about to get divorced because of their son's issue, that autism issue. But
Hmm.
touchwood, within 6 months of counseling, their son start responding very well. Their relationship become very, very good. They are not at all thinking of separation now.
Wow. So you helped a full family to overcome their relation
Yeah.
issues. Wow, lovely, Ritu.
Actually, counseling itself is a talking therapy, we can say. Counselor is just a mirror of a person.
Mm-hmm.
In that counseling, we need to be very observant, very warm with our client, and of course, knowledge is required when we are
Yes,
counsel
offer
somebody.
or any kind of advice you want to give.
Is just be calm. Whatever the situation is, we will surely come out
Yes.
from that situation. Don't get panicked. Don't start hitting your child, or don't start hitting yourself, because I have seen cases where parents start banging their head on wall
Yes.
due to the. So just calm. Your kid will get more panic if they saw all these things.
Yes.
So
Very.
just be gentle. Just give love to your child. Everything can resolved. And autism word kuch bhi nahi hai. Just everybody is autistic in my eyes. So
Hmm.
we need to only focus on their life skills. That's it.
Yeah.
एक अच्छा इंसान को कीजिए, बच्चे को अच्छी अच्छी आदतें सिखाइए. Just teach them a good things. That's it. That they will of course come out. Whatever delays they are having, they will surely come out from that.
Yeah. Thank you, Ritu, for the lovely advice and very helpful indeed. Thank you for sharing it with us. It was great knowing your journey and your experiences and success and the kind of motivation you have and you give to your clients, or in your page. There's so much content also. And I'm glad that I connected with you. And thank
Thank you
you
so
for being at
much.
Show to Hi, Ritu.
Thank you so much.